In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a great looking business coaching website in few minutes with AI. This is something I made for beauty segment. So we have the Ready on by Design, explore the services, where we have the services here. Also, we have the success stories where you're gonna have the testimonials. Then we have the packages, and then we're gonna have the working contact form. Also on the top right, we have the menu where you're going to have the home, about, testimonials, pricing, contact. And that's something I'm going to show you in this video. Let's start. So this is something that I wrote. Hey there, I want you to make me a website like this in a screenshot that I uploaded. I also sent it in the menu, but I want to have a landing page. I don't want to have multiple pages. So I'll take it as inspiration. I want to be a little bit a light brown color, make it mobile friendly, put some good looking pictures instead of existing ones. I'm sending also how I want the menu to look like. I want to have everything on one landing page, not multiple. Contact me would be just contact form there and edit. Then I add Web3 forms data. I want there to be also animation. So we're going to describe what you want to have for your website. So how it is on the existing site, and in the header on left is static image, and on the right the image is changing every second, fading away. So to another image, little bit of animations there. I want it to be static and beautiful. Be creative and ask me questions before you start. So I'm going to send it. I'm going to use model Opus 4.8, and we're just going to wait. It's going to ask me questions. I'm going to answer them, and then it's going to start making the website. So that's something that you want to do. So just find something, download it as a PNG, look at that. Now it's going to generate me questions. So here, what's the brand, your name, Mark, beauty coaching, hero headline, make something up. What do you to the coach offer for women, how to be beautiful and take care of their face and skincare. Which section do you want on a page? So hero, about the bio, signature services, some big quote statement. Then we're gonna have success stories, final call to action, contact form, many items for the full screen overlay, use reference, without blog or course, just home, about, then you can have testimonials, contact, add there also pricing. So we're gonna have also the pricing there. The pricing, make it up. Your services. How should I handle images? So I'm just going to make things, I'm just going to write things that you actually have. Find on internet and use them, then I will change them. Something that aligns. Contact form fields, we're going to have name, email, message. Number as optional. What should the main buttons do? And we're gonna have scroll, but I want them a little bit to be interactive. We're not going to have any login because we're not going to have a course there. So if you want to have even course there, you can make it like that, and then it's going to link somewhere, but it could be like too much then. So I want them to be interactive, okay. And also for animations for whole site, make it okay. So now just rotate. Now it's going to press continue on the bottom right, and we're going to see what it's going to create for us. So look at this, it made the site, and we have the two images. I'm going to make a little bit changes there. Then also I have the services here. Then we have the success stories. We're going to make some edits there too. Invest in your glow. and I can apply now, and then we're gonna have contact form. Even then I'm going to change, but otherwise it doesn't look bad at all. When I'm going to click on the top right menu, we have the home, about, testimonials, pricing, contact. So it, in my opinion, on the first take, it looks good. We're gonna make it better, and this is something that inspired it. So now I'm going to show you how we can make edits. So you have 3 ways how we can make edits. The first one is when you're gonna write here on the bottom left, straight up text what you want to change. Then you're gonna have comment where you can, just, I don't know, remove this or do that. Or you can have tweaks here, or then even, you can click here and, yeah, that's the way. You can have edit on the top right. So edit, you can change the images for yourself. So you don't have to tell Claude to do something. You, for example, right here, see the source. And you can change the source. Or you're gonna have this one here. So you can play around with that how much you want, and that's something that you can actually do. Like here, and you're gonna have the Pro, so you can have like all the sections that you can change or code. So now let's do the changes. So now I told it to change multiple things on my website. That's something that you want to do. So please remove on top of your skin your rules, and have the images being fully on a header. So we're just going to describe the changes that you want. Success stories, I want more of them, more closer together, and also want them to scrolling from right to left, like it's going Loom aesthetic. So again, just doing the changes. While this is happening, I'm going to share with you how you can make the contact form actually working, because right now it's just a design. So I'm going to come to incognito, and I'm going to have the temporary email. You're gonna have your own email. This is just for tutorial, and I'm going to write here Web3 forms. So Web3 forms is a form option 250. You can have completely for free, and I'm going to take the email. Okay, send verification code, and we're gonna add the code from Web3 forms to it. So 5. Let's look at this. All right, we got it. Continue. Agree, continue. And you're gonna choose the free plan, 250 monthly submissions, completely for free. I will show you how it works. You can have your own email and create forms. So website, even when you don't have right now the website, you can write here the one that you're, let's say, going to buy domain. I'm going to show you how you can do it, how you can upload it to your hosting. So let's say this is going to businessemily.com, create a form. And here you're gonna have, these are the 2 things that you want. So you're gonna copy both of them, and now add the Web3 forms code and also my key. Here it is. So while it's doing, I will just paste it. That's the key. And then also we're gonna have the code here. And where is it? Here. So here is the code. Okay, so now it's going to edit first the first thing. When it's going to finish, then it's going to do this. And then I'm going to show you how it's going to work out. So look at the changes that I made. I also send the code here. So when I'm going to click present, new tab, look at that. So I found some woman on Google. Right here we have on the right, I could make it even that more aesthetic, so the images are changing. We have it fully in a header. Then we have explore the services that I can click here. Then I have the coaching. I have slow moving testimonials here. Then also start the conversation. We have the contact form. And what we're gonna do now is that when the website is in a way finished, we are going to find a way on how we can upload it on our own site. So what you're going to do is that you're going to come here and click on the link down below in the description. You're going to come here to Hostinger. And in a moment when you're going to come here, you're going to click on the pricing. And there you're going to have web hosting, premium, unlimited, cloud startup. So I'm going to premium. If you want to have a lot of websites, go with the unlimited. When you're going to choose a plan here, then you're going to have the period. I'm going to have 48 months. You can choose whatever amount you want, but the higher period, the less you pay regards on monthly basis. Have a coupon code right here, Marcus, and click apply. Then you're gonna have 10% off as a bonus, and also you have free domain for the first year. So we're gonna write here the domain. Let's say it's going to be Jessica Beauty, and I'm going to click on it, and right here you see, for example, the registration. It's going to be a little bit expensive because it put me for the second year. So you can choose here the 1 year only, and then you're going to pay up to completely. Okay, how we got it. Then you're going to press continue. Don't install anything from the hosting regarding the website builder or even their own WordPress, nothing like that. Okay, when you're going to do it, I'm going to come here to the website design, and I'm going to write here, export me the site as index HTML. That's something that you just wouldn't wrote. If you're gonna have multiple pages, what you want to do is that you want to have export me it as a multiple pages HTML with the main one index HTML. Okay, so click send. Now I'm going to come to websites. Why it's going to happen? You're gonna come here to hosting, or when you're gonna get it, then you're gonna click websites. There you're gonna have your own site, and you're gonna click on dashboard. Okay, so click on dashboard. When you're gonna click on the dashboard, you're gonna come here to files, where you're gonna have file manager, and there you're gonna have access files of your company, yes, of your site, and then it's exporting me. And what we're gonna do is that in my files, we're gonna have public HTML. I'm going to remove everything that is there, delete, and now we got it downloaded. Okay, we have the index file. I'm going to come here. I'm going to paste it. It got more megabytes of it because this, okay, there are two things that you need to know. So in a moment when you're gonna have any big changes for your site, on the top left project menu, you want to duplicate the project. Always duplicate it because it's difficult for Claude to go back, remember it. Okay, second thing is that if you have images that are very big in size, first you need to resize them. Also remember that, because right now we got 16 megabytes and that's a lot, but it is what it is. I'm going to also rename it because I got a lot of index files. Rename, we got it. Now when I'm going to come to websites, look at that, we're gonna have open the site. Okay, we need to also change this. So as you can see, the loading page got that kind of thing. We would have to change it, and then you have to again export it. But look at that, works. And now this is send message, thank you. And now we're gonna look if the message was sent here. Web3 forms, go to dashboard and look for submission, and we're gonna check the submissions here. You're gonna find the submissions. Whatever email you added, when you're gonna have the form set up and settings, there you're gonna find the email that you've added where you're gonna have recipient. So that's something that how it works, that here you're gonna have the form submission. So that's how it works. Hope this was beneficial. Thank you very much for watching. If you're gonna have any questions, let me down below in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye.